Picture this. You're standing on the deck of a magnificent cruise ship, ocean breeze in your hair, and you realize you've just discovered a trick that could save you hundreds of dollars and countless hours of frustration. What if I told you that after decades of cruising experience and countless conversations with fellow travelers, I've uncovered some absolutely game-changing secrets that most cruise lines don't want you to know? Today, I'm sharing the most valuable cruise hacks of 2026 that will transform your next sailing adventure from good to absolutely extraordinary. Welcome back to Shortcut Suitcase, where we believe that retirement years should be filled with incredible adventures and unforgettable memories. I'm here to share wisdom that comes from years of experience, countless conversations with seasoned travelers, and insider knowledge that can make your cruise vacation smoother, more affordable, and infinitely more enjoyable. Whether you're planning your first cruise or you're a veteran sailor with dozens of voyages under your belt, these tips will surprise you and save you both time and money. Let's start with something that could literally save you hundreds of dollars on your next cruise. The absolute best time to book shore excursions isn't when you think it is. Most people either book them months in advance through the cruise line or wait until they're on board. Both approaches are costing you money. Here's the secret. Book independent excursions 24 to 48 hours before your cruise departure. Local tour operators often have last-minute cancellations and offer significant discounts to fill their spots. I've personally saved over $300 on a 7-day Mediterranean cruise using this strategy. But here's something even more valuable for those of us who appreciate comfort and convenience. Pack a small power strip in your carry-on luggage. Modern cruise cabins often have limited electrical outlets, and are usually in inconvenient locations. A compact power strip allows you to charge multiple devices from one outlet and position your charging station exactly where you want it. This simple $5 investment eliminates the frustration of crawling behind furniture to unplug and replug devices. Now, let's talk about dining, because food is one of the greatest pleasures of cruising. Here's a hack that frequent cruisers have discovered. Specialty restaurants often offer lunch menus with identical food quality at significantly lower prices than dinner service. That same lobster dish that costs $50 at dinner might be $30 at lunch. Plus, lunch reservations are easier to secure, and the atmosphere is more relaxed, which many of us prefer over rushed evening dining. Speaking of dining, here's something that will make your specialty restaurant experience even better. When you make reservations, specifically request tables near windows. Most reservation systems default to interior tables, but window tables provide stunning ocean views and create a more memorable dining experience. This simple request costs nothing but adds tremendous value to your evening. Packing wisdom becomes more important as we age, and comfort should be your priority. Here's a packing hack that experienced cruisers swear by. Bring a small humidifier for your cabin. Cruise ship air conditioning can be quite dry, which affects sleep quality and general comfort. A portable humidifier improves air quality, helps with breathing, and ensures better rest during your vacation. Better sleep means more energy to enjoy your days. Let's address something that many cruise lines don't advertise clearly: internet packages. Instead of purchasing expensive ship-wide internet, consider buying smaller data packages and using airplane mode strategically. Enable airplane mode, then manually turn on Wi-Fi when you need to check messages or share photos. This approach uses significantly less data because your phone isn't constantly searching for signals or updating apps in the background. Here's a money-saving tip for beverages that most people never consider. Cruise ships allow you to bring one bottle of wine per person in your carry-on luggage. However, you can also bring sealed water bottles, which is perfect for staying hydrated without purchasing expensive bottled water on board. Additionally, most ships have filtered water stations where you can refill reusable bottles throughout your cruise. Laundry service on cruise ships is notoriously expensive, but there's a smart alternative. Pack enough underwear and socks for your entire cruise, but bring only half the shirts and pants you think you need. Hand wash items in your cabin sink using travel-sized detergent sheets. Hang clothes to dry using the retractable clothesline that many experienced cruisers pack. This strategy reduces luggage weight and saves significant money on laundry services. Navigation around large cruise ships can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. Here's an insider secret. Download the ship's deck plans to your phone before sailing. Study the layout and identify key locations like your favorite restaurants, the library, medical center, and quiet deck areas. This preparation eliminates confusion and helps you maximize your time enjoying activities rather than wandering around lost. Port days require special strategies for comfort and efficiency. Always carry a small day bag with essential items, medications, sunscreen, water, comfortable walking shoes, and a light jacket. Weather can change quickly, and having these items readily available prevents disappointment if conditions shift unexpectedly. Also, consider packing compression socks for walking excursions. They improve circulation during long days of sightseeing and reduce leg fatigue. Here's a cabin selection hack that can dramatically improve your cruise experience. When booking interior cabins, request ones located midship and on lower decks. These locations experience less motion during rough seas, which is particularly important for those sensitive to motion or anyone with balance concerns. The slight price difference between different interior cabin locations is minimal, but the comfort difference can be substantial. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate this tip. The best times for deck photography are 30 minutes before sunrise and 30 minutes after sunset. The lighting during these periods creates stunning photos with warm, golden tones. Most passengers are either sleeping or at dinner during these times, so you'll have popular photo locations mostly to yourself. Shore excursion planning deserves special attention for mature travelers. Always research excursion difficulty levels honestly and choose activities that match your physical capabilities. However, don't underestimate yourself. Many excursions offer multiple activity levels, allowing you to participate at your comfort level while still enjoying the experience. Always inform tour guides about any physical limitations so they can provide appropriate assistance. Safety considerations become more important with age, and cruise ships have excellent medical facilities. However, pack a small emergency kit with band-aids, basic medications, and any prescription drugs you might need. Keep medications in their original containers and bring copies of prescriptions. If you take multiple medications, organize them in a weekly pill organizer to avoid confusion during vacation. Here's something that can save you significant money on future cruises. Many cruise lines offer substantial discounts for booking your next cruise while on board your current one. These next cruise promotions often include reduced deposits, onboard credits, and cabin upgrades. Even if you're not ready to commit to specific dates, you can usually transfer these benefits to future bookings within a reasonable time frame. Communication with family and friends back home doesn't have to be expensive. Instead of purchasing internet packages for daily communication, consider sending postcards from each port. This traditional approach creates lasting memories for recipients and costs significantly less than internet usage. For urgent communications, most ports have reliable Wi-Fi in cafes or tourist areas. Finally, here's perhaps the most valuable advice for enjoying cruises in your golden years. Embrace flexibility and focus on experiences rather than checking off every activity. Some of the most memorable cruise moments happen spontaneously conversations with fellow travelers, discovering quiet deck spaces, or simply enjoying the rhythm of ocean travel. The cruise industry continues evolving, and staying informed about these insider tips ensures you get maximum value from your vacation investment. These strategies come from years of experience and conversations with thousands of satisfied cruisers who've learned to navigate the system effectively. Your next cruise should be your best cruise, filled with comfort, value, and unforgettable memories. Remember, cruising is about enjoying life's pleasures at a pace that suits you. Use these hacks to enhance your experience, but never let planning overshadow the simple joy of watching the ocean horizon. If these tips helped you plan better cruise adventures, share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts and subscribe for more insider cruise wisdom. Your perfect cruise adventure awaits, and now you have the knowledge to make it absolutely extraordinary. Safe travels and smooth sailing ahead.